Learn English with essential phrasal verbs from A to Z. Act up, batten down, cannon into, dawn on, echo with, face about, gain on, get about, hack away, impinge on, jam up, keel over, lack for, mark out, neck with, offset against, pace off, quarrel about, rack off, sack for, tack on, umpire for, vacate from, wade across, x-ray through, yank off, zero out. Act up. Batten down.
Cannon into. Dawn on. Echo with.
Face about.
Gain on.
Get about. Hack away. Impinge on. Jam up. Keel over. Lack for. Mark out. Offset against. Pace off.
Quarrel about.
Rack off.
Sack for. Tack on.
Umpire for. Vacate from. Wade across. X-ray through. Yank off. Zero out.
Listen.
Act up.
Funcionar mal ou comportar-se mal.
The computer started to act up right before the presentation. My son tends to act up when he is tired.
Batten down. Preparar-se para algo difícil ou fixar firmemente.
We need to batten down the hatches before the storm arrives. Batten down the hatches.
Preparar-se para o pior ou fechem as escotilhas. Cannon into. Colidir ou esbarrar com força contra alguém ou algo.
The runner cannoned into the goalkeeper during the play.
Dawn on. Tornar-se claro ou compreendido por alguém.
It suddenly dawned on me that she was telling the truth. It dawned on me that I was wrong.
Echo with. Ressoar ou repetir som em lugar.
The hall echoed with the sound of laughter. The hall echoed with laughter. Don't encroach on my privacy. Face about.
Virar-se para a direção oposta.
The soldier faced about and marched back to the camp.
Gain on. Aproximar-se de alguém ou algo que está à frente.
The cyclist was gaining on the leader in the final lap. Get about.
Mover-se de lugar para outro ou espalhar-se uma notícia.
She gets about easily with her new wheelchair. News of his resignation got about quickly. Hack away.
Cortar ou remover algo com golpes repetidos.
He hacked away the dead branches from the tree.
Impinge on. Afetar ou prejudicar algo, especialmente direitos ou espaço.
The new law impinges on our freedom of speech. Don't impinge on my privacy. Jam up.
Bloquear ou travar completamente.
The printer jammed up right when I needed to print the report. Keel over.
Virar de lado ou cair subitamente.
The old chair keeled over when he sat on it. He keeled over from exhaustion. Lack for.
Não ter algo necessário ou desejado.
They lack for nothing in their new house. Mark out.
Delimitar ou désignar clairement.
The teacher marked out the area for the game. Offset against.
Compensar ou equilibrar algo com outra coisa.
You can offset your travel expenses against your taxes. We offset the loss against tax. Pace off.
Medir uma distância contando os passos.
He paced off the length of the garden. Quarrel about.
Discutir ou brigar por causa de algo.
They always quarrel about money.
Rack off. Sair ou ir embora. Geralmente usado como uma ordem.
The boss told him to rack off and stop bothering her. Sack for.
Demitir alguém por um motivo específico.
She was sacked for arriving late every day.
Tack on. Adicionar algo ao final de um texto ou discurso.
The lawyer tacked on an extra clause to the contract. They tacked on a surcharge. Umpire for.
Atuar como árbitro em um jogo ou disputa.
He volunteered to umpire for the baseball game. Vacate from.
Sair ou desocupar um lugar.
We must vacate from the hotel room by noon. Wade across.
Atravessar algo, como água, com dificuldade.
They waded across the river to reach the other side. X-ray through.
Examinar ou enxergar através de algo, literal ou figurativamente.
The security officer X-rayed through every bag. Yank off.
Puxar ou arrancar com força.
She yanked off her boots after a long hike.
Zero out. Reduzir a zero ou cancelar completamente.
The budget committee zeroed out all non-essential expenses.